Alright, today guys, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Plants vs. Zombies. It's really easy and simple. So you want to go to this. Hold on, refresh the page. Right, so let me type this in real quick, sorry. Here's the file name. Now, you download it, it's only 26.9 MB. It's not that much space. Download it, then run it. And then it should come in a WinRAR file. I will leave this link in the description. And the file should look like this. I gotta open up the file. Like this. But yeah, except it should have properties and cached in there. I think cached is supposed to be in there. I know properties is. But I just copied those files. So every time I try to play it, I have to wait a couple of seconds. All I gotta do is double click it. And to do that, you just gotta move it all to a new folder. And so once you moved it to the new folder, you get the file. You make a new folder, name it anything you want. Copy those files from the WinRAR to the new folder. Then double click your Plants vs. Zombies. And there you go. No hacks, no viruses, no nothing. And since I have a kind of slow computer, it kind of takes a second to load. There we go. Click to start. There we go. My YouTube channel name. And I don't know if the same problem will happen to you guys, but every time I make a profile and start my game, then it just erases my profile. I'll show you. I quit. Run it again. Hey, look, it worked. It worked this time. Alright, so I think I might have resolved that problem. But anyway, thanks for watching, and just to prove that this works, there's no bugs, I'm going to do my first level. I was on the 5th level, and it erased it, because I went to exit just real fast. I'll have to prove that this works. Set my speakers. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and my guy's channel on here, house name, Detanist. But anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you guys can. I'm not forcing you to. See, everything works. No hacks, no viruses. Everything's perfect. And so yeah, that's how you do it. Like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. If you have any questions and you leave it down in the comments, I should reply to it. And please don't send me any nasty comments, because this really does work. I did it to myself, and it works. And like I said before a second ago, before I showed you all of this, I said I'll leave that link in the description, so no worries. And so yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys finish this level. See? There's no lag or anything, no bugs, no viruses, no hacks, nothing. It's all none. If you play San Andreas on PC, then you would know that it lags, if the audio doesn't work right, and stuff like that. This one, it works fine. I'll put the camera close to my speakers so you can hear it. There's no lag, as you could just saw. Subscribe to that. Oh, I missed it. But yeah, as you can see, it's working. No lag. Or nothing. No lag. If you really do like this game and you have a PC, then you should really get it. I have it on my console for Xbox, but just in case my little brother or my grandma is doing something with it, then I can just play on my PC now, because I have it now. And so yeah, here's the main menu. Not the main menu, the pause menu. If you uncheck 3D acceleration, it will take the game off for a black screen for a moment. It'll come right back and unpause the game automatically. Now I think it looks slightly better with it on. That's why I had it on. This is on Windows XP, if you haven't noticed yet. You probably have. And so yeah, that's a little gameplay short clip. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. So, bye.